In this video, I will be showing you how to add keyframes in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I open my recent project from the Canva homepage. Here, I have a design featuring an ice drink placed on a solid background. Down on the bottom timeline, I click the three dots on the first page and select Duplicate Page to create our second frame. Now, I click on the second page to activate it and select the drink image. I head up to the top toolbar and click Edit Image, then scroll down to the Shadows section and click See All. I select Outline and change the color to white to give the drink a crisp border. Next, I open the Elements tab from the left sidebar. From my recently used elements, I select a green liquid splash and place it onto the canvas. I click on Position at the top and send it backward so it sits neatly behind the drink. Then, I select a matcha powder graphic, resize it, and position it over the design. To add more depth, I select a powder texture overlay, scale it up across the canvas, and adjust its position backward behind the subject. Now, I head back to the Elements tab and type matcha into the search bar. Then switch over to the Photos tab. I select another liquid splash graphic, place it on the right side of the canvas, scale it up, and send it backward to complete the dynamic composition for our second frame. To create the keyframe animation between the two states, I hover between page 1 and page 2 on the bottom timeline and click Add Transition. In the Transitions menu on the left, I select Match and Move. This automatically calculates the movement and animates the elements seamlessly from the first frame into the second frame. Finally, I click the Preview button in the top right corner to test the animation. As the preview plays, all the splash and texture elements smoothly glide and transition into place. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to add keyframes in Canva.